Whoa! Why is my 2-minute video 2 gigabytes big? Yo Richie, you know all about that video editing stuff, can you explain? Hi! You simply forgot to compress your video, but we'll fix that in just 1 minute, starting now. With free and open source video transcoding software, HandBrak. Go to this website, choose your operating system, click download, double-click install and finish the setup. Now launch HandBrak. Drag and drop a file or folder to compress. Now choose a location to save and the final video's quality. Now finally start the transcoding process. A new losslessly compressed video was created that in my case is almost 1/10 of the original size. These tiny videos will even fit on the most measly of USB sticks. I hope it helped and I'll catch you next time.